Local news for Monday, the 14th of September. UCO has a strong commitment to Te Tiriti o Waitangi and are this week holding activities on their Wairarapa campus. Throughout Te Wiki o Te Rio Māori, they will have Te Atarangi sessions at the hub. They'll share the purpose and tools of Te Atarangi as well as a booklet connected to basic Te Reo Māori. Real estate in the region continues to be strong with 94 sales across the region last month. In Masterton, the median hit 470,000, Carleton 480, and South Wairarapa 560,000. The average time to sell varied between the three districts, between 19 and 41 days. Regional Economic Development Minister Shane Jones has announced funding for regional New Zealand, so apprentices will be able to gain a pathway to trades. The focus for Wairarapa will be through Norwood, who already run apprenticeships program, which it would like to extend from 39 to 50. That runs in conjunction with the Motor Industry Training Organisation. And finally, in sport, a win and a loss for the Dalefield Hockey Club. The men beating Hunt United 2-0, while the women going down 4-2. And the combined Kitanui and Makolta College rugby side have claimed the Under-15 trophy after an impressive 49-10 win over Waikato Blue last Saturday. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.